Hello everyone, Deb Floros for Jesse James Beads. How about giving the gift of adornment this year? So we're going to create a little dangle piece that can clip on to just about anything, a bag, a shoe. It can be worn traditionally as a necklace. I took the Snowfall bead strand and I used almost everything in it, all of the beads except the gray beads. And I used a few of these star spacers and grabbing some balled head pins, I wire wrapped each bead, and I did need the assist of those star spacers and some seed beads on occasion because the head pins sometimes slipped through those larger hole beads. So I wire wrapped these all directly onto the chain reaction chain. So I took one of the pieces of chain reaction and used that for attaching beads, but then I also used the second strand to act as an additional layer to my adornment piece. Now, this is really easy and you don't have to put it in any specific pattern. I didn't, but you can do whatever pattern with these beads that you'd like. There's lots of bling, lots of shine, and this will be perfect for that person on your list who just likes to adorn things. Someone that maybe wants a little bit of extra sparkle with whatever they do. So all you need to know is how to do wire wrapped beads, and you can attach them directly to that chain. Now I attached the chain with the beads and the other chain with some oval jump rings, and I stretched out my piece and took the other strand of chain reaction chain, kind of matched it up against that to make sure that it hung nicely. And it can wrap around or hang beneath, but you'll connect those two with your jump ring, and then I attached it to some larger jump rings, and I wanted to create kind of a stable place for those two strands to hang. Then from my stash, I grabbed some of those really large, fun lobster claw clasps, and these have hearts on them. And I put them directly onto those large jump rings, and then sky's the limit for what you do with this adornment piece from here. You can put it on a crossbody bag, you can put it on a pair of boots, you can put it onto your belt loops of your jeans. Give this fun gift of adornment to someone on your list this season, and you can find everything to make these fun adornment pieces at jessejamesbeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.